Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be redesigning this kitchen and making a proper kitchen design for your space. This is one of our clients, Dolly, and her kitchen is small, dysfunctional, and we're gonna redesign this, make it nice and open. And if you want to see a previous video, click above of the process how we started with the original design, what I didn't like, and in today's design we're gonna be changing it and making it proper kitchen design. Also, another cool thing that we're doing is a giveaway, free kitchen design giveaway. And if you sign up above and put your email and sign up to our mailing list, we will pick one of the winners at the end of the month and design your kitchen at no cost. So all we need from you is measurements and your ideas and some pictures, and then we'll design your space at no cost, so you will see it in 3D. As you see this kitchen, you'll be able to look around and enjoy your space virtually before you actually build it. So if you're stuck on the design and you want a free kitchen design, please click the link above, sign up to our emailing list, and we'll pick one of the winners at the end of the month. Enjoy the video, have fun renovating. And today we're going to be talking about Dolly's kitchen, and we're going to be talking about the proper kitchen design. I understand it's complicated and we all want these big open kitchens and we all want to put a big island, but sometimes we just don't know how and what to do. So in these videos, and I'm gonna be explaining the thought process and how we change everything, and this kitchen is particularly specific. So if you want to see a previous design that the clients came with to me, you can click the link above and take a look at the information and what we designed. And this is a kitchen that Dolly has been working with the design for a while, and she had it all figured out. And at the end of the day, when I was working with the design, I wasn't totally satisfied. So here, let's take a look. So she came to me and we started with the blank slate. And this is the kitchen that was before. So she had a peninsula, it wasn't working, and as you see, she was trying to lay out an island in the floor. So what they decided to do is move that wall, move this wall into the left so they can fit an island and make the kitchen bigger. They ended up closing that window and basically changing the whole design. And this is what was the original design she came to me with, which is, again, it's a nice layout. However, when I looked at all the specifications, I saw that it's very tight for the fridge area, and it's just going to be uncomfortable to use the fridge and open it, and just there's going to be this blind spot in here, which is the blue stuff is I'm showing how the doors would open. So, you know, getting into this corner, which was a coffee station, is complicated and not exciting, and I thought that this is going to be a problem. It's a kitchen that she wants to use and enjoy, and with this kitchen design, she's not going to be happy because it's just not comfortable. You want to have your proper clearance, you want to have a proper flow, and you know, this kitchen has to work. And in this case, this fridge location was kind of in the way, and it was also, this wall was also blocking a lot of light that they have in the dining room, and it wasn't working well. So this is the entrance to the wall that they built, and as you see, it's very tight. So it's about 28 inches, and when you have a main clearance 28 inches, you are running into a problem, because right now I'm standing in the dining room. In front of me is the dining room. It has a lot of light, but you see how much clearance, you know, it's barely, my shoulders are almost touching. So again, I was not happy with this, and we worked on the design and I was trying to figure this out. So I did a couple of different variations, and as you see, when I sit down and design the space, I really think this through, and you know, in terms of the flow and the clearance. So I went out and just I said, okay, you know what, this is probably not gonna work, let's come up with something different. So we ended up finalizing this option. So we opened up the wall, and it turned out to be very, very nice. I mean, right now the kitchen is right here, and this is how the renovation process looks like. I also solved the issue of that pipe, which was supposed to be coming out of this this wall right here, and it's basically coming from the basement into the wall throughout the whole kitchen and then up into her bathroom. which would have a lot of 90-degree corners. So when you have heating and it has a lot of corners, you're losing your efficiency because there's heat. It's losing inside the pipe, and it's just not efficient. So I figured out to make a bulkhead in the basement and just bring this pipe back into the corner right here, and that solved all the problems. So now her pipe goes straight from the heating into the corner and into her bathroom. So eliminated lots of linear feet. So that was the first solution. By removing the wall, we improved the heating in the bathroom, and now this kitchen is nice and bright. It's very open, and it's just a nice open space. So we ended up, this is the design we went with. So we're gonna have like a servery desk, a servery area. So when you're prepping and somebody's serving the table, you have lots of clearance. It's just nice and open space, and it's amazing. It has so much lights. The clients are very excited and happy that we came up with this, and we went with this kind of design and layout because it's just a beautiful space. There's no more interference. The fridge has the room to open, and everything works. The other option I was thinking, again, if you're entertaining and you want to have a kitchen entertainment zone. So as you see, I even wrote as an idea, again, kind of putting a sandblasted glass and doing like a dolly kitchen. I know this is a little bit too much. It's not a restaurant, but just to bring out the point that now, if you wanted to, this is kind of a two-level design. This was also an interesting idea. Lots of glass for display, and this could be your serving area and a bar, and your dining room is right here. So this is also an interesting design. Again, this option would be pushing the budget over the limit. So we decided that we're just gonna keep it more simple. Then I went and did another drawing of kind of doing more modern look. So again, we're going with transitional design. This would be more of a kind of flat panel, solid walnut kind of beam look. And it was interesting, but this is not the thing that she wanted to do. And then just playing with the colors of doing a hood in different color in walnut and the island. So that again brings the budget up, and that's not our goal. So we decided the final design of the kitchen is basically this. And so that's what we're doing. We eliminated some of the glass because she doesn't want to have too much display, and the island is an interesting shape as well. So here I'm just gonna give you a process of how I designed this space. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we're gonna be going over every week over different kinds of designs that we have, design solutions to help you understand the flow and kitchen design. So this way you can work on your kitchens yourself, and you can understand the process, and you can design these beautiful, functional, exciting places where your whole family can enjoy. Thank you very much. Enjoy the time lapse of me designing this space, and have fun renovating your kitchen.